I always advise beginners to freelancing and virtual assistants to start with a freelancing platform. But it is also not a good idea to rely 100% on freelancing platform. They can get rid of your account for whatever reason and there is nothing you can do to get it back. Also, with the competition rising and a lot of changes happening in both Upwork and Fiverr, it is not a good idea to stick to only freelancing platform Upwork or Fiverr. And that is why using cold outreach might even be the best way to really start your career as a virtual assistant. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write an effective email or message that you can reach out to potential clients that are outside of Upwork and Fiverr. And really, today, this has become a lot easier today compared to a few years ago when I got started. Because now we have ChatGPT. I don't even know if there was Grammarly in 2019 when I got started, but definitely there was no ChatGPT. But today we have ChatGPT, we have Grammarly, we have a lot of other writing tools that are going to help you write an effective email. And that is what I'm going to show you today. I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write an effective email that you can use to reach out to potential clients. And without any delay, I will just jump to my computer, I will share my screen, and I will show you how to write an effective email. Okay, here we are in ChatGPT. If you have never used ChatGPT before, then you just need to go to chatgpt.com right here. That's all, and you will be on this page. If you have never used ChatGPT before, then you are going to have to create an account. But it's just simple. Just follow the process and set up your account. When you land on this page, this is where we are going to start writing our email. And I haven't really done this before, so we are going to do it together. I'm going to start with a simple prompt to give ChatGPT a background information of what we want. And then I can see what ChatGPT is going to give. And depending on what it gives me, I am going to use another prompt to refine it. I'm going to start with Okay, so I finished writing my prompt. I said I am a virtual assistant. I am offering general administrative services like data entry, calendar management, email management, social media management, personal assistance to client. I want to start looking for clients through cold outreach. My name is Sadiq Umar. Can you help me write an email that I can use to send to potential client? To introduce myself to them and services I am offering and how my services can help save them hours of mundane work every day. Please write in a simple tone and not too excited. I use this last prompt in a simple tone and not too excited so that it doesn't really sound like AI just write it. And now I'm going to just hit enter and we can see what ChatGPT is going to write. Okay, so this email works. You see, the subject is simplify your workload with reliable virtual assistants. And dear client name, I hope this email find you well. My name is Sadiq Umar, and I'm a virtual assistant specializing in administrative support services. I help busy professionals and businesses save valuable time by handling tasks like data entry, calendar management, email management, social media management, personal assistance. By taking care of these time-consuming but essential tasks, I enable my clients to focus on growing their business and enjoying more personal time. If this sounds like something that could ease your workload, I would love to discuss how I can assist you. Will you be open to a brief call or email exchange to explore your needs? Looking forward to hearing from you. Best regards, Sadiq Umar. Contact information. So even just as it is right here, this email is simple, straight to the point, and you really outline the value that you are providing to them, because a lot of the times potential clients are not even going to be interested at first in the services you are offering, but they are going to be more interested in the benefit you are offering to them. And in this email, you are offering a benefit of saving them time. For most business owners and entrepreneurs, Saving time is a big thing. So you are providing these services to help save them hours every single day. So this email as it is, it works. But let's see how we can write social media post based on this email. And I will use a different prompt. Okay, so I said I like the email. Can you write a short version of it that I can use to reach out to potential client on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn? Let's see what ChatGPT is going to do. Hi name, I am Sadiq Umar, a virtual assistant specializing in tasks like this and this and that. I help busy professionals save hours every day by taking care of time-consuming tasks so they can focus on what matters most. If you are looking for a reliable support to simplify your workload, I would love to chat about how I can help. Feel free to message me anytime. So this message also works. It's simple, straight to the point. And really, this is all the text that you need when you're reaching out to clients, when you're reaching out to potential client. But there are a few things you should keep in mind if you want to make it more effective. The first thing is, when you are reaching out to a client that doesn't know anything about you, and you really don't have enough credibility to show them something that is going to make them excited. So what you shall do is, first, if you can record a video, that is going to be the most effective. It doesn't have to be a video with some professional background and professional camera and microphone. You can just take out your phone and even record in a vertical format, and you can call their name. Especially in social media, this works best. Just take out your mobile phone, turn on the selfie camera, and record a short video. You can record something like, hey, you can call them by name. Hey, you just call them by name. I like how you do this and that. I am a virtual assistant. I see some gap in X and X. I would love to hop on a call with you, a quick 15-minute call with you to show you some ideas I have that are going to help you save hours every day. A short message like this, but if you can just take out your phone and record a selfie video and send to the potential client, that is going to be a lot more effective than writing any kind of message or email. But even if you cannot record a video to include with your proposal, I don't see why you cannot. But if you cannot record a video, create work samples that are relevant to the client. With cold outreach, you are going to have to send a lot of them before you get any kind of response. But if you want to increase the chances of getting a response, create work samples that are relevant to the client. The advice I give most people is when you are doing cold outreach, it's even easier to focus on a specific service. If you focus on something like a specific social media management, then you are going to have it is going to be easier for you to write a more relevant message. It is going to be easier for you to create a relevant work sample that are going to attract them. So if you can do this, really pick something very specific. In virtual assistants, pick something specific and introduce yourself as an expert in that something specific. And you can create work sample that are specifically relevant to that person. If you choose to maybe find clients that you will do social media management for them, find their social media account, take some graphics that they have on their social media account and create a better version of the graphics. And you can just include it with your message. This is something I can do for you. And if they like it, they are going to respond to you. So with cold outreach, the message isn't really the most effective thing in cold outreach because a lot of people send a lot of cold outreach. I personally receive a lot of emails every single day. And so what can you do really to help your email stand out or your social media message stand out? That is going to be what you should have in your mind. If you can record a video, it is going to be the most effective thing. If you can't, create work samples that are relevant to the business that you are contacting. And it's also very important to have a portfolio. Even though you don't need to include your portfolio in the initial message that you send to the client, including a work sample that is relevant to them is going to be more effective. But you are going to want to have a portfolio because if they agree to have a chat with you, or even if they respond to your message or your email, they might ask to see your portfolio. And that is when you are going to send them a link to your portfolio. So before you do cold outreach, make sure you have the right and effective portfolio. And if you don't know how to create a portfolio, or if you don't have a portfolio, you can watch this next video where I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on how to create an effective portfolio in Canva. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.